There's a geese nearby. Let's see if I can catch one. Gave them water just a little while ago. Okay, back with you, Google. And fresh water for you too. Clean you out a little bit. The chicks are frozen solid. The ones not eaten, but we change them. Change them up, give them fresh food. Yeah, unless we're fasting them. Okay, back in with you. Ready? Would you rather fly off? No. Sorry, can't oblige that. This guy has never lived in the wild, born in captivity. Back with you.